In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step sign-up on Klaviyo. If you want your sign-up experience to feel a bit more structured, a two-step form can help you collect information in a clearer way. It can also improve the chances that visitors complete the form, because they are not being asked to fill everything out at once. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact flow inside Klaviyo, from signing in to publishing your updated form. First, you will sign into Klaviyo. Make sure you are using the correct account that manages the forms you want to edit. Once you are signed in, you should land on your Klaviyo dashboard, where you can access your website tools and sign up forms. Take a moment to confirm you are in the main dashboard, because the next actions depend on being in the right place. Next, click Website. This will take you into the section of Klaviyo where you can manage website-related features. You should see options related to your tracking setup and your sign-up forms. Clicking Website is an important step because it keeps everything organized under the same workspace, so you can quickly find the form you want to edit. Now, click Sign Up Forms. In this area, Klaviyo lists the sign-up forms you have created. You might see multiple forms depending on your setup. At this stage, look for the specific form that you want to turn into a two-step sign-up. If you are not sure which one to use, you can scan the names and descriptions to find the one that matches your sign-up page. Then, open your form and click Edit Form in the top right. Opening the form puts you into the editor, where you can change what users see. Clicking Edit Form is the key step that switches the form from a published view into an editable workspace. After you click Edit Form, you should see the Form Builder interface, with the form content and options available. After that, click the plus icon. This is where you add a new step to your multi-step sign-up experience. The plus icon typically appears in the form editor near the step structure area. When you click it, Klaviyo should show you a list of step options you can add, which is the part we need to configure your second step. Next, select Mobile Opt-in, Personal Information, or Blank Step. Choose the option that matches what you want to collect in your added step. Mobile Opt-in is helpful if you want consent for text messaging or phone-based updates, while personal information is for details like names and other user data. If you want full control or a custom setup for that step, a blank step option gives you a fresh space to work with. Select whichever option aligns with your two-step sign-up goal. Now you will configure the new step. This is where you decide what fields or content appear in that second step. Review the settings carefully so the fields match your needs and the form flows logically. Make sure you place the right questions in the step, and ensure the step order makes sense for the user experience. This configuration stage matters because it determines what the visitor will see on the second screen of the sign-up process. Finally, click Publish. Publishing is what saves your changes and makes the updated two-step form live. Before you publish, take a quick glance to confirm your step arrangement looks correct and that the new step contains the right information. Once you click Publish, Klaviyo will apply the updates to the form so new signups will see the two-step flow, and that covers everything you need to know. You now have a two-step sign-up form set up on Klaviyo, and you can review or adjust it anytime in the form editor.